The stage is set for a fiery parliament session as the NET chaos and commotion is also getting messier with every passing day. Opposition is expected to raise the NET paper leak issue in the parliament, which means we are expecting a showdown. India Bloc has been targeting government at the centre for this controversy. While Education Minister has said there will be an impartial investigation and we'll take the responsibility to ensure future of the students are not tampered with. However, at this point, top government sources have told India Today that the centre is ready for a debate on the NET, which is the medical entrance test examination. Sources have revealed that Modi government is ready to answer all questions of opposition, for which the opposition parties have clearly deliberated and made a foolproof strategy. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan will likely be leading the debate to answer all the questions on this. So that's the big story that's coming in. Remember, we are talking about thousands of students. We're talking about medical professionals, medical profession and fraternity of the country. And there has to be absolute transparency and clarity on what happened in the NET and how will it be ensured to not be repeated. With the leader of opposition now in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi will be leading the charge against government at the centre. We are expecting firecrackers. But importantly, what will, rather than disruption, will there be a discussion and a debate? So there are questions and answers rather than charges thrown at each other. What will Rahul Gandhi be asking, stating with his team of leaders from all parties, and what will the NDA then say in defence? Piyush Mishra tracking the reactions from the parliament right now. Can we say, Piyush, that NET is going to be the big highlight today, and how?
Well, certainly it will be in few minutes from now. We will also hear from leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, who will be addressing a media, and we can expect him to up the ante against the government over the issue of NEET, NTA, and also the kind of paper leaks those have been reported. The opposition India Alliance has also made a strategy on this, where they're going to corner the government on the entire thing. We are expecting a reaction also coming in from the government. If the opposition continues to mount pressure over the government on this issue, we can expect a word. A statement from the Union Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan. So, at one side, the opposition has already formed its strategy to corner the government over various issues. On the other side, the government sources have told us that they will be responding to each and every query of opposition. In fact, what we are also given to understand is that the government is of the view that this time opposition will try to create false narratives as it did during the Lok Sabha campaigning, and to counter the false narrative being propagated by the opposition, the government has planned to fact check opposition. This is what the government sources are telling us. So we can expect stormy session. Today is the day when the discussion on motion of thanks to the president's address will take place, and that will be begun by former Union Cabinet Minister Anurag Thakur, and then the motion would be seconded by Bansuri Swaraj. So we can expect the opposition to continue to mount pressure over the issue of NEET, NTA, paper leak, unemployment, the real extent those have taken place in the past few days. Also, the issue of unemployment, poverty, which the opposition has been raising. So, there are various issues on which the opposition.
So, it will be the president address, and in fact, interestingly, to remind the viewer, president also made a comment on the NET, said there will be an impartial investigation and will ensure that there will be no politics in this, simply a probe to help understand what exactly happened. But remember, there has been pressure building, not just on the BJP, the NDA, but the National Testing Agency that's supposed to supervise the NET. There is politics, probe, and importantly protests on the ground as well. Here's a report for you.
Days after taking over the NEET probe, the CBI is getting cracking. The agency made its first arrest in the paper leak investigation. Ashutosh and Manish, the two accused, were arrested from Patna. They allegedly accommodated candidates at a boys' hostel associated with the Learn Play school. India Today had tracked down accused Ashutosh days before his arrest.
10 बजे तक लोग सब बैठा हुआ था. 10 बजे के बाद एक्टिविटी चेंज लोग को हुआ.
क्या एक्टिविटी हुआ था, मतलब वही
5 तारीख को.
हाँ, क्या एक्टिविटी?
वही तो मनीष के हाथ में पेपर फोटो कॉपी देके वो लोग को, फिर पीछे वाला रूम में मनीष गया, अपने बात किया. हम आगे वाला रूम में बैठे रह गए. आगे रूम में टीवी लगा और आगे वाले रूम में हम बैठे रह गए.
अच्छा, तो वो मनीष ने
भैया हमको कोई जानकारी नहीं.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. मनीष ने उनको पेपर दिया.
अब भैया मनीष अब मिलेगा है ना, मनीष से भी पूछ लीजिए. हमको इसके बाद कोई जानकारी नहीं है.
CBI is on the hunt for mastermind Sanjeev Mukhia. The Mukhia gang was allegedly a master in breaking locked boxes which stored the question papers. Over 2 weeks into the scandal, the political pressure is mounting on the centre.
पेपर लीक का कानून पास हो गया था पिछले सत्र में, उसको नोटिफिकेशन में देरी क्यों हुई, ये सवाल पूछना जरूरी है। ये पूछना जरूरी है कि नीट के एग्जाम को लेकर पहले तो एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर डिनाई कर देते हैं कि सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि पेपर लीक नहीं है। अब हर स्टेट से निकल कर आ रहा है कि पेपर लीक हुआ है, इतने एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन कर दिए गए हैं, इतने एग्जाम्स को कैंसिल कर दिए गए हैं, उसकी भरपाई कौन करेगा?
The NEET heat on NTA is intensifying. Members of the NSCUI stormed the NTA head office in Delhi, locking up officials in their offices.
हमारी सरकार से 20 दिन से मांग थी, जिस एनटीए ने लाखों करोड़ों छात्र का भविष्य खराब कर दिया, सारे पेपर बेच दिए, सरकार उस एनटीए को बैन करे। सरकार ने एनटीए पर ताला नहीं मारा। आज हम सब एनएसयूआई के कार्यकर्ता एनटीए के ऑफिस में ताला मार के गए हैं और कल से देश भर में एनटीए के दफ्तरों में ताला मारेंगे।
The Congress Youth Wing also staged protests in Kerala and Delhi. With the ongoing session in Parliament, the opposition is also set to corner the government on the exam mess. Sources have said that the government is ready to answer questions on NEET on the floor of the House, and Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is prepared to interfere where necessary. Bureau Report, India Today.
Right, so remember, of course, while there are politics and protests on this, the focus are on these two men. They are seen as the accused. In the case, arrests have taken place, and this has come from Bihar. Also, we are told that a school principal has been detained. Aditya Vaibhav is joining me from Patna. Aditya, good morning. While there are, of course, different states, it's a pan-India issue right now, but the focus has been Bihar because that was at least where a loophole was found out. Tell us about what are the investigators doing in Bihar?
Well, exactly, Pooja. As far as the investigation, CBI investigation is concerned pertaining to the NEET question paper leak, of course, things are moving very rapidly with two major arrests being secured by the CBI in Bihar in the case. Notable is the fact that these two were the same persons who actually facilitated the functioning of the safe house at Himnikchak locality under Ramkrishna Nagar police station of Patna. And this was the first such safe house that was unearthed by then Shastri police or Patna police, and then later on the case was investigated by EOU, which finally filed an FIR back on June the 22nd after securing around half a dozen arrests from the Devghar. Notably the fact that after the entire arrests were made, several leads were actually found relating the case to different states including Maharashtra and Delhi as well. Interesting to note here is the fact that finally the CBI court has granted remand of two accused persons, Chintu and Mukesh, to the bureau, and now the bureau officials are officially interrogating the duo for their suspected involvement. Interesting to note here is the fact that the entire nexus operated in a way that worked in complete syndication, and there was links. I mean, there have been revelations that clear links with cyber criminals who were found, Pooja. So this is a very interesting case, and details are trickling down as soon as the interrogation proceeds. Pooja.